All right, so you're going to walk us through is it called Haura?
Haura.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So this is what we call a desktop kitchen. It's an all-in-one machine that allows you to replicate all the processes that you usually carry out in the kitchen with an eye towards the effectiveness and speed of industrial food making machines. So here's a motor that can drive all your kitchen appliances like blenders, mixers, whippers, etc. And we also provide custom-made modules. So for example, this is a shaker. You just plug it in there, you press run, and it shakes for you automatically. Cocktails, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. To make cocktails, or if you need to shake coffee or froth, something. There's an induction plate for cooking right here, where you can use your normal pots and pans. You can just cook normally. And here, there's a built-in extruder. That means that you can automate a lot of processes that you only industrial food making machines do. For example, if you need to make pasta, candies, snack bars, confectionery, pet and baby's food, everything can be automated. On top of that, its real strength is its modularity. This machine is extremely customizable. That means that you can just buy a dedicated module and you can plug it on the machine and it does everything for you. I'll make an example. If you want to make cheese, you want to make ice cream, you want to roast coffee, you're just going to buy a dedicated module that of course is going to be way cheaper than buy the whole appliance. You plug in here and the machine automates everything, does everything for you. So for example, if you want to have really fresh coffee, especially here in the US where coffee is booming, here this
You're from Italy, you can go ahead and say
Italy.
the coffee's bad here. You can go ahead and say it. Right?
Yeah, exactly. But also here, coffee is huge. Okay. So that's why I make this example. You can buy, imagine you're buying your raw beans from Colombia. You put them in the machine, in the module, the machine roasts the coffee for you. There's going to be a grinder, a built-in grinder right here that you can just plug it on top. You press run, the machine roasts the coffee, it tilts, it grinds everything, spits out the powder. You have the powder here, you can put it in your coffee maker. So in Italy we use the mocha, you know, the old school design. And you can just make it here because you remove this and then you just cook it in here. So it's extremely customizable. Another example is ravioli making. Ravioli, you have to make the dough, you have to flatten the dough, and you have to do everything by hand. So it takes forever. You're never going to do it if you have a restaurant. With this machine, you put all the raw ingredients in here. It mixes everything. This is a module for.
That's a ravioli module right there.
A ravioli module, exactly.
Of course.
Since there's the extrusion capability, you just tilt the machine and then it spits out gnocchi, pasta, noodles, ravioli, whatever you want. The fact that you have extrusion coupled with temperature control and ad hoc built modules, you can replicate everything. You can seriously do whatever you want. If you want to brew beer, for example, you buy the module, you plug it in here.
Do you already have a beer brewing module?
We are developing it.
Okay.
And the fact that you can control the temperature.
It's a food factory in a box, is what it is.
Exactly.
A modular food factory in a box.
Exactly. The combination between a motor, an induction plate, so temperature control and extrusion, you can replicate everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.